My name is MIta, but sometimes I'm Mora. MIta plays with makeup and Mora is a hoarder. Hello. Hi. Oh my god, guys, I am still sick. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, comment down below and say hello. Hi. And if you like my content, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I have unlocked community chat, so don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload and post a poll on next week's video, guys. Okay, don't forget to like this video or dislike this video, Miss Thing. Engagement is engagement, and I invite it all, Miss Thing. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Hey guys, how are you doing? This weather is something crazy here in New York, guys. It is brick ass city. It's brick out this bitch. Guys, I am so exhausted, okay? I'm at maybe 70% better. I still feel sick, but I cannot give I still feel sick, guys, but I really wanted to upload this video. So guys, if you're not familiar with my Instagram and Snapchat, I will put it right here down below so that you guys can go check out my Snapchat and Instagram. You guys can always request videos there as well. I had one of my friends on Instagram who supports me and my YouTube channel asked me to do an eyebrow video. I will put her Instagram down here. Go check her out, guys. Send her some love. She wanted to see my newest updated eyebrow routine, so here I am giving her that routine. I love when you guys ask me for videos and ask me for specific content, because I want you guys to know I hear you and I appreciate you guys supporting me, and we're a team here, you know what I'm saying? Very giving scandalo nation, you know what I'm saying, girl? Guys, I'm sorry if I seem a little down. I'm just not feeling well, but I definitely wanted to deliver some content to you guys today. So guys, there were a few people asking me how my hair looked after the Camille Rose. As you can see, my hair is looking very shiny, guys, very hydrated and very nice, guys. It feels amazing. Camille Rose is definitely okay in my book, and I will be sticking to their hairline from now on. That will be the only thing I put in my hair, Miss Thing, okay? So if you have low porosity hair and you have trouble absorbing moisture and your hair is almost always dry and it's hard to get water into your hair, Miss, you should definitely try Camille Rose, guys, hair products, not sponsored. Okay, I purchased those products with my own money, and I will be purchasing more products on their website and checking them out. So guys, today we will be doing my updated eyebrow routine. Guys, when I tell you that this eyebrow routine is so fast, Miss Thing, it is fast as heck. Like, I be getting my eyebrows done now in like 10 minutes tops. Before, it used to take me mad long to get my eyebrows, like 30, 40 minutes, you know? But now, guys, I get it done 1, 2, 3, baby. So if you want to see how I get my eyebrows on Fleek, Miss Thing, just keep on watching. Hey, guys. Welcome to my face. Okay, guys. So today we are going to use, guys, I started using this pencil, and I gotta tell you, I absolutely love it. It's like pomade in a pencil. That's how creamy this liner is. This is in the shade Brunette, and the name of this liner is LA Girls Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I will see if I can link it in the description. I will see if I can link it in the description down below. I found this in my local beauty supply store, guys, and I fell in love with this pencil. So now, guys, I am going to do my brow. It comes with a spoolie on one side and the product on the other side. That is what it looks like. Now, first, what I like to do is I like to brush my eyebrow up. I have tweezed my eyebrows, so please excuse the redness. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my brow on the bottom so I can get that shape that I want on the bottom. And now I'm going to just comb out my brow to like pretty much how I want it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start lining out the top of my brow. Kind of like that. Guys, this has really crunched down my brow time by so much. It's crazy how fast I get my eyebrows done with this pencil. So now I'm just gonna fill it in. And what you wanna do is you wanna go against the hairs to get a nice opaque color in there. So my brows, I like the faded effect on my brows. So I'm going against the hairs, and the reason I'm doing that is because I find for me, that's what works best as far as getting a nice opaque finish. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow brush and I'm gonna comb my hairs back down. And as you can see, it filled it in. Now I'm gonna go over on the top and just kind of fix where I feel I need more pigment or more coverage. And don't worry if you mess up your brows, guys. You can always go back in and clean it up. And I don't go all the way to the front, guys. I go right about here. Now, once I'm done filling that in nice and dark, as you can see, because I have dark hair, I have dark brown hair, so I like my eyebrows to match my hair. I'm gonna take the spoolie, and with the product that's already here, I'm gonna slightly brush it in towards the front, very gently and smoothly. Now, I'm gonna take my finger and come up and clean it up. And voila, you have an eyebrow. That was like the easiest eyebrow tutorial I've ever done in my life. Guys, and no, seriously, like seriously, this thing has saved my life. Like, you see how fast I got the eyebrow done? And you know, if you wanna clean it up, you can. For example, you can go back in with the pencil. I'm gonna look right now to see where I need more pigmentation or where I need more coverage. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, like that. Now, another thing I wanna discuss with you guys is that I've noticed a lot of people, when they do their eyebrows, they put concealer on the top of their eyebrow when they clean it up. Guys, you don't wanna do that. You wanna put foundation, your foundation on the top of the eyebrow. You want to make sure you don't put too much product, just the right amount of product, and you're just going to go on top and clean that eyebrow like that. See? So I didn't go too close to it because foundation tends to be a little bit more watery than concealer. So you want to make sure that you're not putting too much product where it's gonna bleed into your eyebrow. You know what I'm saying? And with the foundation, the reason why you use foundation on top of your eyebrow is so that you don't get that white line above your eyebrow. It's very noticeable, and people will clock you. I used to do it all the time, guys. All the time, until I realized that you can see this white line on top of my eyebrow. See, when you use foundation, you can't see that. Then you want to get like a blending brush. I like to use, you know, little blending brush, and I will go ahead and blend out the top of my eyebrow like that. So you see that, how nice and carved the top of my eyebrow is? And then you want to go in underneath with your concealer, not an eyebrow brush. But my arch here is very high, and I want to make that just a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go back in with my pencil, and I'm just going to kind of bring this down a little, like that. And then I can always reshape it with my concealer. I'm going to show you right now. When you're putting on your concealer, you can shape your eyebrow to how you want it. You know what I mean? So don't worry about that. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX HD concealer. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. Remember guys, you do not want to go in with a lot of product because it will bleed into your eyebrow. And what I mean by that, the excess product will move into your eyebrow, and then you have to go ahead and apply more of that eyebrow pencil on. And it's going to be harder once there's, you know, concealer there. So now I'm going to go ahead and shape my arch. I like to conceal my arch first. And then I'm going to go ahead and conceal the underneath of my eyebrow. So if you notice here, guys, I have like a round arch coming from the front. And I'm not too fond of that. So I'm just going to take the pencil and watch how easy I can just straighten that line out little by little. You see that? How I took out that front arch in the front. So now it's kind of like straight with the rest of the eyebrow. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer brush, and I'm going to come to the front of my eyebrow. And now I'm going to go ahead and conceal the rest of that. And then you're just going to fill it in like so. And then this is where your blending brush comes in. You get a blending brush, and you just want to blend all that product out underneath your eye. You don't want a thick consistency under there. You don't want to cake it on, you know what I mean? Some people like to cake it on. I mean, to each his own. Whatever you prefer is fine. I don't like my concealer cakey underneath my eye. I just don't. That's just not what I like. I don't like to feel like I have a lot of makeup on my face as well. But then again, guys, that's just me. So then you could go ahead and go in and just tweak wherever you want to tweak. Like me, I feel like right here could be a little darker. So I'm just going to go ahead and tweak that. And there you go. Voila. Now I'm going to go ahead and comb through. Like so. And you can also play with your hairs. Like I'm combing my hairs down so that I can get more coverage on that little arch piece right here. That seems to be giving me a problem today. Every day there will be a different part of your eyebrow that will give you an issue. So don't stress. Be blessed. Don't stress, be blessed. So now I'm just going to go back in with my concealer. And this is pretty much how it works, guys. You just, you know, you go back and forth, back and forth. You play with it until you get the ideal look that you want. You know what I mean? So now, for the finishing touch, you want to take a eyebrow gel. I use a clear mascara. This is what I've always used to gel down my eyebrows. And it's only to keep my hairs in place. I bend the wand like so to use for my eyebrows. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay those eyebrows down in the places where I want. And this will keep them in place literally all day. I love this stuff. Okay guys, and this is the finished eyebrow. You see that? And it hasn't even been 10 minutes, guys. That was quick. Quick, easy tutorial, fast eyebrow, get in, get out, and all done. This is my updated eyebrow routine. I will finish the other eyebrow and I will be right back. Hey guys, so I am back. These are the infamous brows. These are my fleeky brows, Miss Thing. This is what I'm giving. I'm giving la cosa. And I'm sorry guys if I sound sick. I am still sick, Miss Thing, but that is not gonna stop me from uploading. Okay? Okay. Well guys, I have just ran out of my eyebrow pencil, so I'm gonna go online and see if I can find it, because I go to there's a lot of beauty supply stores in my area. So I don't remember exactly which one I went to. So girl, I'm gonna just order this bitch online. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna order about 3 or 4 of them. I love it. This brow pencil is very creamy. What? What'd you say?
What? What'd you say?
This eyebrow pencil is very rich, very creamy, guys. Also, I want to let you guys know I will be vlogging my weight loss journey. Today is day 1 of my diet. I am going heavy metal, full throttle, guys. I am not going to give up, and I'm going to document everything. I'm going to do it more so for myself, to keep me motivated, etc., etc. If you guys would like to see my uploads about my weight loss journey, you are more than welcome. If not, guys, you do not have to watch it. It's more of a diary for myself so that I can keep myself motivated and just see my progress as I move along, okay? Because this body's due for a reconstruction, Miss Thing. Okay, so that's something I'm going to do as soon as my health is back to 100%. I do not want to go to the gym and push myself. Right now, I will focus on what I'm putting into my body and my actual dieting. I'm cutting out all meat, so I just will be eating fish, okay? And a lot of fruits and veggies. You know what I'm saying? Well, guys, I'm sorry if my spirits was down today, guys. I'm still feeling sick. I have a headache. I did not sleep good last night. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and watching my video. Stay tuned to my next upload on Thursday. Remember, I upload Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. This past Saturday, I did not upload. I was extremely sick with a fever, and I just couldn't get out of bed. But I will be uploading this whole week, okay? I love you guys so much. If you guys have any suggestions for uploads, please comment in the description box down below, and I will be sure to give you what you asked for. That was so corny, yo, so corny. I love you guys so much. Let me go drink some tea or something. I'm delirious. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.